Hey guys, here with an unboxing for you. In this video, we're doing the Haven large compartment duffel. Coach Jordan from the Twin Cities Kettlebell Club, and if you follow my channel, you know that I am a gearhead, and one of the things that I have always been big on is having a good gym bag. You spend a lot of time in the gym, you go to and from the gym. If you've ever worked as a personal trainer, you know having a good gym bag is a worthwhile investment. So this bag was provided to me by Haven free of charge, just because I had mentioned their product in a gear review article that I was quoted in. Mentioned their product by name because it's a product that I think is really awesome and one that I had been lusting over for a while. So we'll see if it meets my expectations here. So just getting it open, and just comes in your standard brown cardboard packaging, but you can see, even pulling it out, this is a structured bag, right? So it's going to be large size, and first impressions here as I get it out is it is big. They're not kidding when they say it's a large bag. It's probably a solid 3 feet long, but one of the reasons I was lusting after this bag, you can see on the back, certified carbon neutral, which is huge for me. It comes with a 5-year warranty on it, which is super cool. And then also, really the big difference between this and other bags is that it has these organization compartments on the inside of it, which I'm really excited to see in person. So you can tell quality zippers, heavy duty, right? But when you open it up, and you see on the inside here, it has all these dividing compartments inside of it. And then on the side, you have a ventilated compartment for putting your lifting shoes. So I wear a size 12, and I know one of the reasons I wanted the large rather than the small is since I wear a size 12. This goes up to, it holds up to a men's size 14, so you can see my lifting shoes go in there without any issue. I can probably put them sideways too. That'll be nice, and the ventilation pocket on the top here means that my sweaty, smelly shoes won't make the rest of my bag smell. It's isolated from the rest of the bag. Yeah, this is pretty cool, I gotta say. Unboxing it, I can tell you that I am really excited to fill this thing up with all of my different stuff, because as a kettlebell sport lifter, I've got a belt, I got shoes, I got chalk, I got my heart rate monitor, I've got my shaker cup, my supplements, a bunch of other stuff as well, right? I'll load this thing out and do another video here showing you all of the things that it carries. But for this, the unboxing, initial impressions are, it absolutely lives up to the expectation. It is large, it has a ton of compartments, it's well organized, it's well structured, it feels heavy duty, it feels quality. So I'm really excited to start using this. I'll do a follow-up video once it's all loaded out. So until next time.